among you guys is a big fan of boxing? If you're a fan, I'm sure you've heard of the famous boxer we will be talking about today. This person is none other than Floyd Mayweather, an American professional boxer with an undefeated record. Who wouldn't recognize him, right? I mean, he ranks as one of the highest paid athletes, with a net worth of over $600 million, and he dominated professional boxing and made history. His iconic fights drew millions of fans to each event, and when he stepped into the ring, everyone knew he owned the place. Throughout his career, the world has watched in awe as he broke record after record. He is indeed one of the biggest names in sports history. So you might be wondering how he spends all of his money. Don't worry, because in this video we will look at some of the most ridiculous ways Floyd Mayweather spent his $500 million fortune. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Life of Luxury. Savor the flavor of exploring wealth, where we post videos about life and luxury. Join us on an exciting video as we explore the wonderful lives of the elite. We are absolutely thrilled to share our knowledge with you. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can continue to post videos on this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment and we'll make sure to engage and start some interesting discussions with you. Before we get into the most ridiculous ways Floyd Mayweather spent his money, let us first talk about how he got so rich. It's easy to see how Floyd Mayweather Jr. rose through the boxing ranks with such talent and drive. According to most estimates, his lifetime earnings exceed $1 billion. Floyd Mayweather Jr.'s nickname changed from Pretty Boy to Money, and that proved to be the start of something extraordinary. He is undefeated, with a record of 50 wins and 0 losses. Yes, you heard that right. This man truly lives in victory. His fight with Carlos Baldomir earned him $8 million, and his fight with Oscar De La Hoya earned him $25 million. But among these, Mayweather's fight with Conor McGregor netted him nearly $450 million. So Mayweather did not only amass his fortune through boxing, he is also an experienced real estate investor. In fact, he is the founder of his own company, Mayweather Promotions, which he founded in 2007. This entertainment promotion company has made over $350 million in profits, while also generating $1 billion in pay-per-view revenue. He also runs a gentleman's club called Girl Collection. He charges $30,000 per night for the room, plus an additional $20,000 for the VIP section. Drinks aren't any less expensive. Even the cheapest bottle can cost $16. A great profit indeed. Well, managing one's wealth is not that simple. Mayweather, in fact, knows how to manage his money wisely. So if you want to be wealthy like Mayweather, you must know how to manage your money properly. And we actually featured a video about it called Money Skills Everyone Knows. And you are welcome to view it on this channel. So, where does Mayweather's money go? Actually, he isn't afraid to enjoy the fruits of his labor. Let's start with his lavish mansions. When it comes to his humble abode, he did not hesitate to spend $25 million on a mansion in Beverly Hills, in Los Angeles. Inside of this mansion, you can see his wine collection, a 12-seat movie theater, and a candy shop. He also has a $10 million mansion in Las Vegas and a $7.7 million mansion in Miami. All of these mansions are outfitted with all the luxuries you'd expect from a home of this caliber, as well as a few unique perks. Flashy Floyd enjoys traveling in style. When it comes to his 100-car collection, he doesn't hold back. In fact, he spent $1.7 million on 2 Bugatti Veyrons. a $4.8 million 𝐈𝐧𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐦 CCXR Trevita, $255,000 Ferrari 458 Italia, and other luxury vehicles. When it comes to travel, commercial airlines simply do not cut it. The Insider reports that by traveling on his Mayweather private jet, this legendary boxer truly enjoys luxury travel to the fullest. This Gulfstream G650 cost an incredible $60 million. He also owns a mega yacht valued at $200 million. And we all know that owning a yacht is without a doubt a coin with all of his wealth. Mayweather is also known for throwing extravagant wild parties. This occurred when he celebrated his birthday with high net worth individuals and well-known celebrities. He is also a huge watch collector, and he has a large collection of luxury watches at his disposal. And the most expensive is an $18 million watch called the Billionaire, designed by Jacob & Co. It weighs 280 carats and is the only one in the world. Now, one other interesting fact about him is that he never wears the same pair of underwear twice. He throws them away after using them. According to reports, Mayweather spends over $6,000 per year on underwear alone. Now, this is also true of his shoes. He also never wears a pair of shoes more than once, but he does not discard them. Fortunately, he was able to collect them in a hotel room. See? He is indeed a wealthy man. Lastly, Mayweather is also an avid gambler. It is unusual for him to place six-figure bets. He also has an odd habit of literally carrying his money with him. He is known to be carrying $60,000 in cash. Of course, if he does this, he will need a lot of security, right? Well, that is not a problem for him because he hires the biggest and best bodyguards and spends more than $150,000 a year to keep them on payroll. And that is how Mayweather spends his money. Now, what are your thoughts on it? How would you spend your money if you accumulated wealth like Mayweather? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, remember to subscribe to The Life of Luxury for more videos to help you explore the wonderful lives of the elite. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. See you in our next video!